So straight away, let's make an image with Midjourney. I'm gonna just go through this super quick and you can see what's possible because many of you may not know what's possible with creating AI images. And let me just tell you, anything. Anything is possible if you know exactly how to do it. If you want to make a whole new image, any different size you want, any different style you want to use yourself or someone else in an image, it's all possible. You just need to know how. So Midjourney, my favorite image creation tool, one of the best on the market, in my opinion, the best. Let's just make something, shall we? So here's my text prompt. Again, this video will quickly whiz through this and you'll see what's possible. And then in the following lectures, systematically, step by step, I'll go through everything. For example, how you should be laying out a prompt, or your settings, or the edit features if you want to change something inside an image, all that stuff in the following lectures. But for now, I'm going to make a chubby pug in a detailed retro futuristic astronaut suit, floating through a vibrant candy-colored galaxy filled with swirling cotton candy, floating gummy planets, shooting stars made of sprinkles, cinematic lighting, you get it. This is going to be a way out there kind of image. Let's create it. So that's done in just seconds. So I've got 4 versions here because that's what I've set my settings to. You can see this pug astronaut with lots of cotton candy and candy around him, sprinkles, etc. all there. If I want to do anything, like I could edit this, I could remove some planets, I can do all kinds of things. I'll show you later in the course. But anything you want to create, perhaps you're making this for a social media post or a website or something, or perhaps you need to make an image for a website. Here we go, a corporate leader in a suit showcasing a light bulb icon representing innovation, sophisticated office space. Perhaps you need this for a site. And here we are, an image I could use on a website for that kind of thing if you need to. 4 different versions there. Perhaps I want to edit this slightly. That's okay, we can do that. Editor, for example, I could erase this, I could change it, I could change the color of the person's hair or whatever I wanted to do. Options are endless. For example, maybe I want to change this lady's hair color to blonde. Let's submit. And here we are, we've changed her hair color. So you can pretty much do anything you want. Maybe I want something fantasy for a story or book I'm writing. Wow, here's some options right here. Maybe I want something cute. Let's try that. Oh, here we are. There's a poodle doing the dishes, but again, I might want a different version. The poodle's in the sink here. That's okay. Maybe I can just vary this slightly. Let's have a look and see if it varies it. And now it's changed that shot. Here's a poodle right here, dog, doing the dishes. Really nice. What if I want an image of me? So say there's me right here at my desk. I'm going to choose this. Again, I'll show you exactly how to do this, but I want man sat at a desk in the middle of a New York City street, bright and sunny. And there's different options. There I am. There's me sat at a desk right in the middle of a New York City street. Really nice. So gone are the days of needing to go and find an image on Google or stock sites. You can get exactly what you want for whatever it is. You're making a website, you want to turn these into videos even. I can show you how to do that. Whatever your purpose is, you can get the image exactly as you want it. You can choose the style of your image. You can even use another image to influence the style of your image. Use yourself, use another person you're allowed and have access to. You can create anything you want, and I'm going to show you step by step. So first we're going to go through and see how to get to Midjourney, packages, what all these mean. Then we'll go through how to create with prompting or using an image, and then we're going to go through all the editing features for this. You'll know everything by the end of this. Step by step, all the way through to some advanced stuff with face swapping. You'll understand everything by the end. So let's get into it. Let's start. Let's understand how to use Midjourney to make the most amazing AI images.